Good morning, welcome to 3A's Academy for English. I welcome you all in this blissful morning. Happy morning to all of you. So, here I would like to relate or connect myself to the children, those who are in higher classes. How to intensify your writing skills. Many a times ऐसा होता है कि हमको समझ में नहीं आता है कि अच्छे sentences या अच्छे expressions हम कैसे लिखें, right? So here I am with a few examples which you can use it while you're writing essay, you're writing speech, any analytical paragraph. So here we go. So how to intensify? What are intensifiers? Actually, intensifiers strengthen and emphasize on the verb which you are using. So if you construct a simple sentences, it is also okay. But if you are using intensifiers that enhances your verb, it makes it strong. And of course, your writing skill is appreciated. Fine. Then intensifier plus verb is actually collocation. It is actually collocation or word combination. So you have to use an intensifier and then you have to use a verb, and this combination will adorn your sentences. It will beautify your sentences. It will make it impressive and expressive. So I have come with a few examples for you, and please see to it that you should not use all these intensifiers in one speech because they are strong. So please try to use 2 or 3, not more than that. As per the maybe paragraph if you are developing, then in one paragraph, one you can use relevantly. You will know how to use it. Fine. Now, the very first example, if I have taken here truly and appreciate. I truly appreciate your approach or offer. Say suppose government has come with a new scheme, then in your opinion you can say that I, or you can say we, truly appreciate the new scheme launched by the government. Alright? So that has made your sentence beautiful and expressive. Next, I honestly believe it is a right decision. Maybe you are concluding your essay, your speech, there you can use this intensifier. Right? Then next, I deeply regret. You are having invitations, you are having replies for the invitations. When you are refusing, you can use this intensifier. I deeply regret, specifically for the students of class 12th. Reply of invitations when you are unable to attend meeting or you are unable to be the judge or accept any invitation. There you can use it. I deeply regret the inconvenience, okay, or missing your wedding, anything where you are reflecting that you are feeling sorry. You are feeling sorry about it. Fine. I fully recognize the importance of intensifiers. When I said that please use intensifiers, then you can reply me or you can tell me, yes ma'am, I fully recognize the use of this or importance of this intensifiers. Fully recognize you can use when you know something, when you agree to something. That is fully recognize. Coming to next, I sincerely hope you achieve your goal, your target. That is my wish. Alright. And then I sincerely hope you start using these expressions. I sincerely hope you start using these expressions. One more example, positively encourage. I or we or he, she, whatever. बट यहाँ पे वर्ब में यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. इफ यू आर यूजिंग he positively encourages. Alright, fine. The campaign, the charity, encourage means you are with the motion. You are really helping them out. You are having a positive thought about it. So I positively encourage, I or we, and if it is he or she, then encourages. Alright, encourages the campaign, the charity for the poor, the needy people, the plundered family, all these things you can use it. Alright, and then why we should use these intensifiers, that is very important. It is not just because a teacher is saying or your guide is saying, it is not just because of that. It is to help you out to improve your speaking, your writing skills, and your any academic situations. Maybe you're writing, you're appearing for any examination, maybe any competitive exams you're appearing. So please use the intensifiers. It is going to help you to score higher marks. Higher score के लिए these are very useful. Believe me, happy learning. Thank you.